Hi, this is John with WTI. And in my case, for me and my mom, we both use biotin. And the opportunity to have a good skin, good hair, good nails to keep you young, this lipoic acid with this biotin optimizer is a great option. The opportunity of having a great skin or something that is going to aid your skin, your health, your nails, everything, and it's going to help you overall to have a great use of the biotin already with the biotin optimizer is really good. And from this supplement, having a pill that is going to be not too hard on your stomach, just and not as big as you can see in the images. It's just easy to swallow one a day and you're just going to be fine. So if you're looking for a great option of a lipoic acid and a biotin optimizer, this already has done really good for either me and my mom. So this was John with Dolly ATI, and that was my point of view.